In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to enable Gmail Hangout Chat. This tutorial is designed to guide you through the simple steps necessary to activate this feature within your Gmail account, making it easy for you to connect and communicate with others seamlessly. First, let's start with accessing Gmail. Open your preferred web browser and navigate to gmail.com. If you're not already logged in, you'll need to enter your Google account credentials to gain access to your inbox. Once you're in, take a moment to familiarize yourself with the interface if you aren't too used to it. You'll notice several icons on the left sidebar, including your mailbox sections and other Google apps. Next, look towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll spot the gear icon, which represents settings. Go ahead and click on it. A quick menu will pop up with a list of options. Here, we will click on See All Settings to access the full settings menu. This is where you can customize a variety of Gmail options to suit your preferences. Within the settings menu, get your eyes on the top navigation bar and search for the Chat and Meet tab. Click on it and you'll find several options related to Google Chat and Hangouts. You have now reached the critical part of enabling Hangouts. Now, within the Chat section, select the option that says Google Chat. By doing so, you're enabling the chat functionality within Gmail. If previously enabled, you simply need to ensure it's checked. Scroll a bit further, and you will see the Save Changes button positioned at the bottom of this settings page. It's essential to click Save Changes to ensure your preference for Google Chat is applied. After saving, Gmail will refresh automatically for these changes to take effect. Once your Gmail screen reloads, take a look at the left sidebar once more. You should notice that Google Chat is now visible, often appearing beneath the Meet section. This indicates that Hangout Chat is now activated and ready to use. Now you can start new conversations by selecting the plus icon next to Chat. A search bar will appear, allowing you to type in a contact's name or email address to initiate a chat. At this point, you're all set to explore and enjoy the possibilities that come with using Google Hangout Chat within Gmail. This integration helps streamline your communication efforts, making it easier than ever to chat from the same platform that manages your emails. With Hangout Chat enabled, you're now prepared to stay connected and collaborate with friends, family, or coworkers in a more unified and efficient manner. And there you have it, a complete guide on enabling Gmail Hangout Chat. Feel free to reach out in the comments if you have any questions or encounter any issues. Happy chatting!